You could double click on your layer and name it, and that should unlock it. If it doesn't, go ahead and unlock that layer and then create a new one and just fill it in with a bright color. This will help, you'll see. Just fill that in and then drag it underneath the subject layer. And now go to your eraser tool, hold down and click on that background eraser tool. And you could play with all these settings. I encourage you to play with all of these. For this type of stuff, I found this middle one works right there. And then make sure you have continuous, definitely tolerance, play with that too. And make sure that one's checked as well. And now with that, make sure your subject layer is selected and then sample that background. Windows, you hold Alt. And now you're just dragging that over the subject, like the line in between the background and the subject. And it's kind of finicky. Again, play with this. It took me a while to get used to. But you're basically erasing the background and it's just finding that edge automatically. So that's how it's kind of different from the regular eraser tool. But go ahead and play with that tolerance. And then you could just go in with your eraser tool really big, your regular eraser tool, and then just quickly get all the rest. I'm just finding the edges. Again, you could sit here and play with this way longer. You could see how it's not perfect just for this quick example. And then hide that background, and that's pretty good for how quick that was. Now I did speed it up, but that's, I mean, if you spend a few more extra minutes, that's really good results with finding that edge automatically using that tool. It's really nice. Follow me in the next one.